Apparently, these 5 steps will make you sneeze. Start by using the side of your fingers to start massaging your nose 5 times. Once you've done that, take one of your fingers and brush the top of your nose. But don't stop brushing, as for the next step, we need to blink exactly 8 times while brushing our nose. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now to let me know you're simply following along, just hit that like button. Before we reveal that final step, all you need to do is rub the underside of your nose and